Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to manage broadcasting settings. In the beginning you have to go to settings and then enter broadcasting. Thanks to this function you can go to expert settings of broadcasting and manually scan for channels, enable fine-tune function that improve reception quality of channels by fine-tuning the signal. Then you can transfer channel list, delete CAM operator file, manage satellite system, change teletext language settings, and manage HBB TV settings. Next you can enter audio options where you can change audio language system and audio format. And in the end you can manage TV key interface. And that's basically it for expert settings of broadcasting. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.